Somebody please tell me what was that? What was that? What was that?
Hex I try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them, vex them, still a text, I still a try fi explain. See me on the right, girl, better take the left lane. Hex I try explain.
Well, people, welcome back to the channel. If you feel like it, drop a like on the video, and if you feel like it, just subscribe somewhere down there. It took me 1 day to recover from this game. One day, a full day it took me to recover from this game, because I still not understand what going on yesterday. I still don't get what happened to these man yesterday. Imagine you're playing Sheffield United, right? A team what in 19 games only managed to win 1 versus Newcastle, right? Sheffield United don't make sense. Man, them not no use. This man is as useful as a eunuch in a whorehouse, bro. The man don't make sense whole season. And you're playing Sheffield United as the leaders of the Premier League. You're trailing the leaders by 2 points in the Premier League. The informed team in the Premier League. And you're playing Sheffield United at home. And you play like that.
Who them, brother? Who is this man?
Not more than them man feel like they already won the game. They enter into the game thinking, oh, we already win this. We're on top of the league. Sheffield is bottom of the league. Of course we can win this. And the man them walking at the thing. Disrespectful, bro. It was just slow and lethargic. You're playing against a 5-man defense. And you're moving the ball in our defense slow and lethargic. Between Twenty and Maguire pass the ball between each other like 60 times, bro. Like, what the fuck was going on in this game? Couple people need shout out, of course. Man like David De Gea clearing the ball for the second goal, just passing it to the opponent. Like, you win the ball in your box. You there your goal line. Kick with the bum buckler ball. What was that? Man like Marshall. Yo, you're one of my best player, Marshall. I'm not gonna lie, you're one of my favorite player. But Jesus Christ, what was that yesterday, bro? This man in the game, back to goal, right? Losing the ball every time at the half line. Back to goal, touching the ball, they take the ball from him and that's it. One at a time, Marshall just stop. Make up him face and a compliment the man and take the ball off him foot. What the fuck was that? The midfield was just slow. Everybody was a complete shadow of themselves, bro. David De Gea was at fault again for the second goal, for the first goal, because I still don't know how you're a keeper in our command your space like that. You should be out there punching the man in the face and the ball, bro. The referee, although the freedom goal shouldn't have counted because that was definitely a foul, and our goal should have counted because that was no way a foul. The keeper dropped the ball completely. That in itself is a freaking excuse. I'm not gonna like it. That's an excuse for the performance of man from last night, from yesterday. It was complete shit, absolute nasty ass shit. I still don't get it. The midfield was lethargic. Matic was the only person in that midfield that looked like they wanted to do something yesterday. Matic was the only one trying to push the ball forward. You understand what I'm saying? Rashford, I didn't see him all game, bro. Not one time all game. Bruno was moving constantly, and yeah, Bruno will always have the energy. But where was the rest of the team? You man approach the game as if you already won. How does that make sense? You haven't won anything, bro. But you know what? It's our fault. And the fans' fault. Because we all got gas, bro. All of us. Together, we got gas. Man, them win a couple games. And I was screaming 21 is coming, bro. I was ready. Maybe that's why I'm so emotional right now. Because I was so attached to this game. This was supposed to be the win before Arsenal, bro. We beat Liverpool last week. And all of a sudden, man, them feel like they make it. All of a sudden, we make it because we beat Liverpool last week. What the fuck was that, bro? Mentality monsters. You man just went over and bend over and make Sheffield just rape you, bro. What the hell was that? Me still got... I was so upset yesterday, bro. I don't get what's going on with this team. What's up with these man, bro? What's up with these man? I don't get it. Next week at Arsenal. Weekend at Arsenal. What now? Are you man going to get up and step up to the plate? Was it because Sheffield was supposed to be an easy win while you man approach the game as if this was just a preseason game? Now you have Arsenal. Can you lift up your levels to play against Arsenal this Sunday? Because Jano them beat 1 live at Old Trafford now. Go down and beat 1 love at Old Trafford now. And now wait for go down at the Emirates Stadium. We need revenge and we need that 3 points and more than anything. What not gonna do? All of the fans out there, I tell myself this as well. Enough with this 21 is coming. It seems as if we've been lucky to get to this point. So let's see if we can call upon Jesus, Allah, whoever, to get some more luck for continue like this, because these players, look at them, now have the mental strength, the capacity to know. You man haven't won anything, bro. Liverpool been winning. Man City been winning. You man haven't won shit. You man haven't won shit. So how you acting as if you are the best thing and biggest thing ever? You man have not won anything in the Prem. You haven't won a trophy since Mourinho. So how is it you man are walking, approaching these games as if you are champions already, bro? Because you're leading by 1 freaking point. Supporting this club is not good for my health. Maybe we should, as fans, take an emotional step back. Maybe we should always take a step back emotionally from this team and just watch and pray. And at the end of the season, see where we're at. And for all you waste man out there, bro, for all you fuckery out there, who out there are abusing these players racially, using the opportunity to abuse man like Twenzebe who had no fault in the goal. All the ball was deflected off at Twenzebe and going in the goal. Twenzebe wasn't there, was going straight in the goal anyway. Are you waste man out there using this opportunity to bring forth your racist views and opinions? You man don't deserve the air you breed, bro. Yes, man. But people, I don't even know what else to say, bro. Looking forward to Arsenal this Sunday. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Wear a mask. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Manners.